Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 3 plus 3 divided by 3 then times 3 plus 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 3 plus 3 equals 6, then divided by 3, then times 3 plus 3, which equals 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 2 times 6 equals 12. But this answer is not correct. Based on PEMDAS, we first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Here we have these parentheses. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. So we have 3 plus 3 divided by 3 and then times 6. Here we have this addition, this division, and this multiplication. Remember that multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction according to PEMDAS. And here we work from left to right. First we do 3 divided by 3, which equals 1, and then times 6. 1 times 6 equals 6. So 3 plus 6 equals 9. Therefore, our final answer to this problem is 9.